Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and here I am showing you a card using the Pop of Petals as well as the incredible Like You stamp set, which is going to be available with the new occasions catalog, which is being released in January 2019. And so I love a lot the fonts and the sentiments of this, but I also like that you can do really nice backgrounds with this stamp set. And then this is out of the annual catalog, but I think it just goes great. And what is awesome is that there is a coordinating punch, and so you can stamp and punch it out all your flowers very easily. So as usual, those come on a bundle, so you can get those together as a bundle and save 10%. And this one is actually out of there is a kit that you can where you can use this stamp set. So I'm just showing you more projects or what to do with this product should you decide also to get that kit. So anyway, so let's just get it started, and I'm gonna be just showing you some things here. I have here a piece of this is a scrap of what is this color? Petal pink, yes. And it's just for me to stamp and punch out my flowers. Then I have a piece or a circle that I had already that I cut, and this one is in Whisper White, and it's with the Stitch Shapes framelits. I also have a scallop in a Fresh Fig, and this one is die cut with the layering circles. I do have a piece of Pure Pizzazz, and this one is 4 by 5.5. Let me just make sure it is true. Yes, 5.5 by 4. And then I have a piece of the Design Series, one of our new Design Series papers, and let me just go and see the name right now. This is Floral Romance Specialty Design Series paper, and what is really great about this paper is that there are there's only 4 designs, but you get 3 sheets of every one, rather than 2 sheets of 6 different designs. On this one you get 3 out of 4, and there are 2 of them are actually vellum. So this one is really nice Design Series paper. So this one is 6 by 4, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 3.5 by 10. Let me just make sure that it's 3. Yeah, 3.5 by 10. I have already scored it at 5, just so that it is easier for me to fold it in half. I don't know if I've said this in the past, but I always feel like, oh, where is my boom folder? But I always feel like when I am doing the long side of the cards, I always find it easier for me to just do the scoring. Okay, so this one will go actually here. So this is where it's gonna go. But before that, let's just make sure we do this section. So I'm gonna just make sure they are this way. And then I'm going to go ahead and put Fast Fuse. Let me just... And you can also do the tape. There we go. Oh my goodness. Let me see what's happening here. Okay, there we go. So you can also use the tape. And so what you're going to be doing is you're going to just fold it. Because I want to go ahead and here's how it's going to look, and it's already attached, so you're only going to be seeing this section here, and voila. Then once you have that open, we're going to go ahead and glue this section, but before we do that, we're going to be stamping here a sentiment. Okay, I always try to do the sentiments or whatever I need to be stamping first, because if something goes wrong, I can always flip it and then do it on this side. At the end of the day, it's going to be attached. So here's what, and here's the other thing. I just need to be kind of figuring out where everything is going to go so that I kind of have... So I need to be stamping somewhere here, although I'm not really sure that you can see it. So you know what? I might skip altogether the stamping of this, because you won't really be seeing the sentiment. So I'm gonna put the sentiment inside. So I think that's gonna be easier then. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these, and I'm gonna go and use the here, the fresh fig, and this one says hope your day is as amazing as you. So I'm gonna be putting this one right in the middle, as you can see. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and stamp one of these flowers. I think it will be nice to have one of these flowers as well. So they kind of goes with it. Yes, there we go. We might, this is petal pink. And you know what, while I have this one here, let's go ahead and stamp 2 of the flowers. Now if you notice, I mark my stamps. If you see here, there's a little mark there that indicates how I need to stamp so that it coordinates better with my punch. That way, and I'll show you in a second, that way when I put my punch, I know exactly how it goes, right? So I'm just, it's easier for me to line it up if I stamp it the way the punch is supposed to go. So hope that makes sense. There we go. Alrighty. And let's just use, let's see, do I want to put a little leaf here? I do want to put it, but I don't want this one. So let's see if I can try to do, you know what, yes. So let's just do this with the Pierre Bissas. Oh. And I'm just going to be careful to not touch any. There we go. There we go. And if you see, I don't have any on this side. So then I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. And voila. So that's how it's going to go. So far, that's all I'm going to be putting. I won't put anything else here. I'm going to fold these, put my adhesive, and glue this to my car. And I'm just centering everything. There we go. So this one will open like so. You see this? Kind of cool if you think about it. So anyway, let's just make sure everything is fold it. And then on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use these two. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of I don't know how to say that, but you can see me, I am kind of folding or using my bone folder so that it has some sort of dimensional, so they don't look as flat like this one. And I'm going to be putting this one on top. So this one will go with dimensionals. And let me see if I have a sheet of dimensionals. I don't, so let's just use this one. Oh, here, there's one here, because you only need one. I'm going to go ahead and put this, and then I'm going to bring this one, and I'm going to just take scratch of paper, and we're going to go ahead and use, because I want to have this one kind of right there, so I'll be using some foliage. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one. Oh, my goodness. Let me see if I can do this better. Alright. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this one. And let me just see, because this one will go right here. And then I'm going to be at this one there. Alright. So here you have it. So this is how it's going to go. I think I like it a lot. So let's just go ahead and glue this one to our scallop circle. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue but before I do that, let me just make sure I have this. I should probably, yeah, let's do something else here. I have the fresh fig. Let me just take this one. I have the fresh fig 1/8 ribbon. That was the name of this one. Sheer ribbon, that's the name. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead like so, and we're going to get cutting this. Alrighty. Then we're going to be fitting this one like so. Perfect. And we're going to put a dimensional on this. And again, where's my dimensional? So on this one, oh my goodness. I'll probably just put this one here. That one there. Oh my goodness, I love how it's looking. And then I'm going to be adding one of these. And I think the medium will be nice for this size of a flower. Oh goodness gracious. Where's this tool? Let's use this tool. There we go. Alrighty. And one of the new things or embellishments out of the holiday catalog is these cute little flowers that are called frosted flowers embellishments. And so we're going to be using one of these, and I'm going to be taking this one, and we're going to be adding like one right there. How about that? Just to add a little something there. So there you have it. So here is the card. Hope you have enjoyed it. I love how it looks. I love this design series paper a lot, and this type of card just, I think it's just so different, and I love that you can do this with the vellum. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. So don't forget to sign up for my email. The information is on the description below. Because I'll send 5 tutorials for you when you sign up, and also you get information about my upcoming classes, which by the way, by the time I release this card or this video, there should be information about my card class that includes more ideas using these products. And also, when you spend with me $50 or more, you actually get a tutorial. I'm changing things around, and so for this year I am planning on doing, or at least let's say the first 6 months, let's see how this goes, a tutorial between 10, I'm going to say 8 to 10 tutorials when you purchase any of these items with me, and I'll be emailing you as soon as you purchase or you place your online order. You do need to use the hostess code, and the hostess code is always on all my blog posts at creatingwithali.com. So that's something new for 2019 that I want you to be aware. Instead of sending card kits, I think you get more value when I share it with you, a tutorial bundle with about 8 to 10 tutorials. So anyway, thank you so much. If you have any questions, don't hesitate in calling me. I hope to see you soon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.